guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Simone, and today in this video I am going to be doing a wig install, and I have not done a wig install in quite some time. Like, I've been doing the boho braids and just exploring other hairstyles that really just speak to me at this moment, especially in the summertime. It's just so hard to do wigs. I sweat a lot, I work out a lot, I do Pilates a lot, and so I just needed a huge break from wigs. Fast forward, now it's fall, you know, the time is getting cooler, and I don't mind going on a wig every now and then. So the tutorials are back, and I want to find a way to just make things fun. I feel like there's so many wig tutorials online and they're all the same. Basically, my whole career was me doing wig tutorials, and to me, how different can they possibly be when you're doing wigs after wigs after wigs after wigs, right? So I'm gonna try to make them interesting as much as possible, or at least just slay the hell out of them, so that it is of interest to you guys. But for today's video, we have a wig from WowAfrican, and this is one of my favorite brands, guys. This company is like one of my top fives because they always get it right. They always are gonna get it right. So I just feel like for them, they're my favorite. This unit is a kinky straight type of unit. I know it looks a little crazy. I had it sitting down in the box and it got kind of bent, but we're gonna go ahead and customize this. I believe it is a bob, so I am excited about that. I'm not gonna braid my hair. My hair is just gonna be just like how it is in a, like, I just need for right here to back here to be flat, and it definitely is just that. See, I have a little flat, well, I have braids back here. I had a quick weave. But yeah, so I basically just have from right here to right here basically being flat. That's what you really want. I am gonna pluck this wig a little bit. It is already plucked. It is pre-plucked, as you guys saw. But for me, I just have a personal preference to make it look as close as possible to my hairline. So I do go in and take out a little bit more, but you really don't have to. Wait, let me try it on. This is why I pluck it, because my hair does not go like, it doesn't go like this. Like, I want it to be a little bit more messy in the front because my real hairline is so sporadic. Like, but I believe this is a bob. So we're gonna make this cute. We're gonna flat iron this. Why didn't they been make these clear stocking caps? Like, this is what we needed, not buying pantyhose and then having to cut it and then stretch it on our heads. Like, this is a game changer, y'all. It is clear. Like, if you wanted to do the ball cap method, you just put this portion of it on your skin, spray it down, and the material feels more like firmer than an actual like pantyhose, right? I also love that if I wanted to, I could just put makeup on this, which I'm probably gonna do, and I'm good to go. This is what we needed, this. Because the other ones are a little bit too like yellow and they show through the cap. So this one is just like, damn, this is smart. Why I didn't think about this? Okay, moment of truth. Let's see how it looks with the wig on. somewhat of a difference, right? So I start off with one side. Actually, put on your finger. Spray it on your finger. Okay, looks better already. And there is some shine, and I like to clean that off towards the end. Like when I'm starting to do the baby hairs, I clean that whole hairline part off. This is where we're at now, and I am gonna go ahead and start flat ironing my real hair. My hair. But it's cute. Let me go wash my hands. I have spray everywhere. At this point, I'm using my wax stick from 𝐄𝐈𝐍𝐿. It's one of my favorites. It helps to keep your wig super flat on top. And to be honest, I use it for my real hair also, and it smells really good. So I do this, and then I activate it, well, keep it flattered down by using either a hot comb or my T3 curling iron because it's super hot. To be honest, these days, I don't even use a curling iron. I don't even use a hot comb anymore. I literally just use this curling iron because it's so scorching hot. And then I use a comb. Next, I wanted to go ahead and just make the wig cap blend in with my lace and my skin. So I did put some of my own concealer there. But I absolutely love the way this hair flows, the way it feels, the way it looks. It actually looks like a nice little blowout / perm. So once again, WowAfrican, you did your thing, and I'm highly impressed. Like, I absolutely love this wig. It's just so natural, so grown, so sexy. Guys, I have everything linked down below, especially the 𝐄𝐈𝐿. Check that out. I highly recommend it. I also use it on my real hair to get like really flat ponytails. Absolutely love. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.